Hello, my name is Andre V and I'm the founder of Parcel Locker Central. Today I'm in Bucharest. I'm visiting company Bob IoT and I'm here with CEO of the company, Johan Hopman. Hi, Johan.
Thank you for joining us. Welcome in Bucharest and here at our demo room in north of Bucharest at Bob IoT. So looking forward to our discussion.
I'm so happy to be here. I'm always happy when I'm surrounded with a locker. So I'm like a kid in the toy store. So I like this environment. So thank you for inviting me.
Here you have even more than only lockers. As you can see, we have several demo objects, and yes, lockers is one of them. And thank you for joining us in having interest in our company and our products.
But tell me a little bit about the company, the products. I see around me there are really versatile number of lockers for different use cases. This is not a very fresh startup. You have been working with the lockers already for years and you have accumulated this experience into the production also. So give me a small background of the company.
Members of this company go way back to 2013 with their experience on parcel lockers when a previous company with these members produced lockers for Pošta Moldova, and the quality seems quite okay because they are still working since 2014. In the meantime, there has been a lot of development, not only on lockers, on asset management, so exchange of documents as equipment or other things or parcels, but mainly also on unattended retail. We have had development on mainly functionality and software together with refrigerated vending to create a smart vending and a more convenient way of experience vending for residents in bigger buildings or smart vending as such. This was tested also for 3 years with our Bob Concierge. Here behind us you see the Bob Bistro, which is a spin-off of the Bob Concierge, where customers have a clear overview of the products available sitting on their couch and a convenient multiple product selection which could be taken after the payment doors open and you could retrieve your multiple products. So more convenient than normal vending machines. In all this capability, we are now moving forward to bring all these products, all these capabilities into the market. So I'm here since June last year, also to support the expansion into Europe and the marketing and sales of all the capabilities we have.
Absolutely, absolutely beautiful. Again, it's not very common that local manufacturer has the full range of products, starting from the parcel delivery, last mile delivery, ending with the vending machines and residential lockers and even more. It's a really a surprising combination. And looking for the build quality here in the demo room, you have very high quality products. So what is the secret behind that? What's the production sort of strategy of yours?
Thank you for the compliment. I think that we really have high quality products, not only on the hardware, but also on the software. I think one ingredient is to have within production the final step fully under control, meaning we can do several steps of productions ourselves. However, we have also outsourced partners. The assembly of the final product is done by our own team in our factory. We have a factory in Pitești, and there the installation or the device is completely assembled and tested before our team is installing it in the field. So this final quality check on equipment, on functionality is done by our own team. And so here we know exactly what we hand over to the customer.
This is very important. I noticed it also that the assembly is one of the most important part of the local productions, because this is where the quality actually appears, and quality control and compatibility. Going back to the parcel part and parcel delivery, needs not only the lockers, but needs also the software. So you have been developed beside the lockers also the locker operating system that you can handle the whole network if client has this kind of needs.
Yes, yes, especially our software. My colleague Mihai knows more in-depth details about that. However, our software is capable to manage a multi-device network in a very fast way, to operate the lockers for parcel deliveries. We have our own products for residential. We call it mail and parcel for close to home deliveries. So yes, we can provide the full functionality to operate the lockers for parcel delivery, for last mile delivery with the full functionality. I would like to add one thing. Our company recently developed an operating system, so what we call OS, where we provide a hardware kit. So companies can build their own lockers for parcel, for last mile, for asset management with an easy API to connect to operate those lockers, so they can become independent producers as well. So this is a nice addition we had added mid of last month to our portfolio, and this is also something we are going to promote over the next month to add to our portfolio.
So this is like a Lego. So you are proposing Lego parts, and everybody can build whatever they need in automated handover.
Correct.
So thank you, and looking forward to talking to you again.
Thank you for the time, and looking forward to the next time as well.